So I'm an architect and I love diagrams. As you can see here, down here at the bottom, you'll have legacy APIs at the bottom. You'll have a legacy database. All of these will flow through a facade. And then from the facade, we flow through an adapter. The adapter figures out whether or not I need to translate the data. And if it does, it will send it off to the translator. The translator sends it back to the adapter, and the adapter sends it to your consumable API in your new modern application or your database. So a facade is simply a simple interface to a complex system. It should own one connection, so having multiple facades would be ideal when you have data that comes from multiple sources, multiple records. It owns retrieving of the legacy data. So your data out of your software is XML. It will eventually become a JSON, like a Java data object. You can, in your facade, if you need to modernize your database, get rid of unused fields. You can have the facade cut down on that unneeded data so it doesn't reach deeper into your ACL. And generally, it's accessed via SQL's API calls. A little image here about what a facade might look like. It's kind of like a front door to the system. So on the left-hand side, you see without a facade, you've got multiple consumers here at the bottom that access the multiple services here at the top. You have no clue if consumer A is accessing just service A or if they're accessing all of them. So keeping track of all these consumers becomes tedious. However, if you put a facade in place when you're modernizing your application, all of your consumers flow through this facade. The facade handles what service it should go to. It kind of looks very much like a gateway manager. You put it in front of your consumers so that you can control any upgrades